Hello everyone and welcome to the Homebucks Cafe. My name is Hannah and today we will be making the White Mocha Frappuccino with cinnamon for a little bit of extra flavor. We're going to need some white chocolate flavored sauce, mocha sauce, believe it or not, xanthan gum, whole milk, ready whip, and since I'm adding cinnamon, we're gonna need some cinnamon. This is an espresso frappuccino, so we will also be using our espresso. Mine is Cafe Bustelo. So white mocha and regular mocha are both popular flavors. They're classics. They're available year round. I already have my ice today, and we are going to start by filling the 16-ounce cup with whole milk. I've got fresh whole milk this time. It's farmer owned. Fill it to the top. Next up, I'm gonna add my xanthan gum, just a pinch. And before I add my mocha and white mocha sauce, I'm going to go ahead and brew my espresso.
This is me making coffee at supersonic speed, so that is why I had to cut the audio.
I'm going to add 1 shot of espresso. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And as I mentioned when I was listing the ingredients, the cinnamon isn't necessary. I just don't think that the white mocha is good enough on its own, so I wanted to take it up a notch. Believe it or not, your white mocha latte, white mocha frappuccino, both of them get dark chocolate sauce in it. It's less than the white mocha, but I was surprised when I learned that they got both because it seems like a lot. So I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of the chocolate sauce, the mocha sauce. And then I'm gonna do 2 to 3 tablespoons of the white chocolate flavored Ghirardelli. Right at 3.5. All right. Now it is time to blend. You're gonna blend for about 90 seconds. Some of our chocolate sauce appears to have gotten stuck at the top or bottom, however you prefer to call it. But I think it'll be all right. This one doesn't have a strong smell. I feel like I always smell them and this one doesn't have much going on. Ooh, that was scary. Anyway, whipped cream. Well, I should drink it before I lose half of it to the camera. Ooh, has a nice droopage action. All right. It's average. It is average. I taste the white chocolate. I'm not impressed by the Ghirardelli white chocolate. I think that the Starbucks white chocolate is better. It's definitely sweeter than the Ghirardelli one. The cinnamon definitely gives it has like a light cinnamon flavor, so if you want more of a flavor, a cinnamon flavor, then go ahead and dump some more in there. Yeah, overall it's average. I think it would be better if it was just a regular mocha frappuccino. The mocha sauce is a lot stronger than white mocha, white chocolate sauce. I'm gonna rate this like a 5. It's okay, it's fine. It's not for me particularly, but for my audience. And with that, I would like to say that this is the last installment for now. I have had a lot of fun filming for you and giving you recipes from the Starbucks repertoire of recipes. I definitely got a caffeine addiction from this, so that's fun. This is gonna be the last of my YouTube videos for now. I really love to edit and film, so I will be back, but it will be some time. It will be some time because I am a senior in college and graduation is coming up. So I'll be back, but not next Wednesday, very sadly. However, follow my Instagram at Homebucks Cafe. I will be active on that pretty frequently. As I mentioned, I have a caffeine addiction now, so I have to sustain that somehow. So yeah, I will be posting there. I'm still gonna be making drinks on my own. There's the Homebucks Cafe is still going to exist, just in a different form, and it's more in our souls. It's more in our souls than ever before. Thank you for letting me take you on this journey of 8 different Frappuccino recipes. I had a great time. I hope you had a great time, and follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook at Homebucks Cafe. You'll see me most active on Instagram, where I'll be posting all the caffeine, all the coffee that I drink, or the coffee I find, or just pretty things. Whatever suits the coffee fancy, that's what I'll be doing. Have a frapulous, like fabulous fall. Bye.